Artificial intelligence, AI, is a computer system that is able to think for itself and make decisions based on the data it is being fed. AI uses the technology of machine learning in order to learn, to build, and to evolve. It combines analysis, implementation, and development of methods to allow accomplishment of complex tasks. It has the ability to process immeasurable depths of information in an extremely quick time, faster and more efficiently than human minds. AI is able to perform in real time, personalize offers and improve customer experiences. Have you ever spoken to Siri? What is the Australian dollar compared to the American dollar?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the Australian dollar compared to the American dollar.
Have you used Google Translate lately? Have you ever connected with a long-time friend with Facebook suggestions? Has Spotify provided you recommendations based on your user experience? Have you had Nike On Demand sending you messages like a personal trainer to help you achieve your fitness goals? If you have experienced any of these, then you have already interacted with AI.